Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called The Cadbury Tales Cadbury and the Toad. A knight uses his sword to help people in need. A knight is brave even when he's scared. Bonk, ouch. A knight's greatest weapon is his mind. Whoa, oops, oof, I'm okay. A song can be heard in the distance. Hello? Is anyone there? My skin may be bumpy like a corn on the cob. My eyes may be brown like an ant on the log. But all insects come to see the beautiful voice that comes from me. Have you come to hear me sing? Well, sit back, relax. You can call me king. The Toad King smiled. You see, bugs are quite dumb. They just don't know what's to come. When I sing my song, they tell something's wrong. They all get in line, crying for one more time. They seem more sweaty. I'll eat them like spaghetti. Stop! You can't do this. I can do what I want, little mouse man. And I have the most beautiful voice in the land. Listen to your king, young knight. Lest you want to fight, you are no king of mine. My lunch has left, you little rat. You're no knight, you're just a brat. You can't trick bugs, that's not knight right. You don't have to ask twice. Now I'm hungry for mice. You have no more sword, my little mouse friend. It seems you have met your very end. There doesn't even seem to be a door, a window, or even a hatch. How can I beat him without my sword? A knight without a sword is like a frog without a voice. Just give up, you have no chance. But I would never give up. Full courage waits until King Toad starts singing again. Then he begins a song of his own. Bum bum, soon you'll be chum. Moo moo, no no. No no no, stomp them down. I have the voice of the toad, not a gal. Boo boo boo. It's not a ghost. My song's more beautiful. Go. Meow meow meow. Now just please be quiet down. The more you can speak, you'll ruin my sound. My lunch is never speak because since you keep running my voice again, I have no choice. Thank you for saving us, knight. But I'm no knight. I don't have a sword. Really? You look like a neat knight to me. The end. Okay. One lesson here. Even though you're small, you can do big things. And also, do not trick people. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!